Investor, Benjamin Graham's classic that has shaped generations of smart investors. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through timeless principles that help you invest wisely, avoid common pitfalls, and grow your wealth with purpose. Stock market floor fades into a calm study room with books and graphs. It all starts with value investing. Graham teaches us to buy stocks for less than their true worth. Forget chasing trends. Invest in companies with real value and hold until the market catches up. Cartoon style Mr. Market character flipping signs panic rise euphoria. Next comes Mr. Market, Graham's metaphor for the emotional roller coaster of Wall Street. He's moody, impulsive, and often wrong. The intelligent investor listens, but never reacts emotionally. Blueprint of a bridge labeled margin of safety. To protect yourself, use a margin of safety. Just like engineers overbuild bridges, investors should buy with a buffer. It's how the pros avoid costly mistakes. Split screen investor acting on fear versus investor staying calm. Your biggest threat: emotions. Fear and greed ruin returns. Stay rational, especially when markets swing. Icons of two people, defensive and enterprising investor profiles. Graham describes two investor types, defensive and enterprising. One plays it safe, the other takes a hands-on approach. Know your style and stick with it. A scale balancing stocks and bonds. Bonds may not be flashy, but they protect. Mix them with stocks to cushion volatility and build a more resilient portfolio. Animated pie chart expanding with different asset types. Diversify. Never bet on a single outcome. Spread your investments across sectors and assets to reduce risk. A person building a portfolio labeled goals, risk, time. Your portfolio should reflect your life, not someone else's. Tailor it to your goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon. Crowd panicking as one investor calmly buys during a dip. Markets rise and fall. Don't see dips as danger, see them as opportunity. Intelligent investors plan when others panic. A storm hitting a vault labeled risk plan. Managing risk is as important as seeking returns. Protect what you've built through careful planning and thoughtful allocation. Time lapse of a tree growing slowly over years. Graham's long-term view is clear. Real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built slowly with consistency and patience. 12. Investor, studying a financial statement with a pen and notebook. Want to invest wisely? Learn to read financial statements. You don't need to be a genius, just informed. Numbers reveal the truth behind every stock. Scene 13. Speculator at a roulette wheel versus calm investor with charts. Speculation is noise. Investing is discipline. One gambles. The other builds wealth over time. Graph showing interest rate ripple effects on bonds and loans. Understand interest rates. They shape borrowing costs, bond values, and your portfolio's future. A wise investor watches the financial weather. Sunset over a calm sea, investor journaling quietly. And finally, patience. Investing isn't about predicting the next big thing. It's about staying the course. Be consistent. Be calm. The market rewards wisdom over impulse. The intelligent investor, vertical bar, invest with logic, grow with patience. Thanks for watching. Let Benjamin Graham's wisdom guide your journey, not for quick wins, but for lasting success.